Hello guys, today we are going to discuss very important topic that is time scaling and time shifting problem. Sorry, it is very important in signal and system syllabus. Okay, here the question one is y of t equal to x of 2 of t minus 1. Actually, the signal y of t equal to x of 2 of 2 minus 1. Here the LHS and RHS both are signals, guys. Please note that. Okay. Uh, this can be solved by using dummy variable tau. Sorry, tau. Let tau equal to 2 of t minus 1. First deal with this section, guys. 2 of t minus 1. Let us assume that this whole as tau variable. Okay, guys. We are assuming tau equal to 2 of t minus 1. Simply tau equal to this. That implies y of t means this equation becomes y of t equal to x of tau. Here tau means 2 of um, tau means 2 of t minus 1. That's why uh, this y of t equal to x of 2 of t minus 1 equation became y of t equal to x of tau. Okay, that's clear? Okay. Table for values of t and tau. Okay. Um, this table can be used to derive the values of t and tau. T values 0, 1, 2, let us assume. Then tau values can be found using the equation or relation. This one, tau equal to t of 2 minus 1. If t value is 0, the tau value will be minus 2. Okay, don't worry. See this equation, tau equal to 2 of t minus 1. Substitute t as 0 means 0 minus 1 minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Then that's why tau value is minus 2. Okay. If t value is 1, tau value will be, okay. First substitute 1 value here. 1 minus 1 0. 2 into 0 0. Then tau equal to 0. If t value is 1, tau value will be 0. Okay. If t value is 2, substitute t value as 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2. The tau value will be 2. Okay. We have found tau values from 0, 1, 2 of the t values. Okay. So from table we came to know that y of g 0 equal to x of minus 2. Here 0 means t value, minus t is tau value. Okay. Here 0 means t value, minus 2 means tau value. Okay, guys. Y of 1 equal to x of 0. Y of 2 equal to x of 2. Means the amplitude of y signal will be amplitude of x signal at the in time instance of 2. Here the amplitude of y signal at time instance of 1 equal to amplitude of x signal at time instance of 0. Consider an x signal here. X-axis is time, y-axis is amplitude, our signal is x of t. Similarly, consider this signal y of t equal to x of 2 minus 1. This overall signal is y of t output signal. If it is a x of t is input signal, we can call y of t as output signal. Okay. X-axis is time axis as well. Y-axis is amplitude. Here we have to know y of 0 value. How we have to know how y of 0 value is this. Okay, y of 0 means x of minus 2. So this amplitude will be placed here. Y of 1 means x of 0. Y of 1 amplitude equal to x of 0. X of 0 is this amplitude will be placed here. Then y of 2 equal to x of t. Y of t equal to x of 2 amplitude placed here. Here what we see from this problem, the signal gets scaled. Means we can say the shape. It is less area covered. Means that signal is shrinked or scaled. So scale effect is done. Similarly, the whole signal is shifted right to the axis, y-axis. The whole signal is shifted. Here we have seen some area left side of the y-axis also. But in this case, we don't see any left side area. Means the signal gets shifted to the whole right side of the axis. Means shifting operation is also done. By using dummy variable method, we can solve very complex problems and confusion problems. This is very useful topic. Okay, guys. For more problems like this, please subscribe. Thank you. All the best.